folks, welcome back to the Jeff Violin channel. Daniel here, and welcome back to the garage renovation series I'm doing, where I'm trying to make my 1970s garage of the house that I just moved into worthy of my Cadillac and my Porsche. So I told you in the last episode all the things I wanted to do to the garage to make it mine. And guess what? The first step's already been done, and that was taking care of that AC system. As a reminder, the old 1970s system that was in there was reaching the end of its age, and it just ruined the look of the garage with the spidering of ducting and such. So since it was time to replace it, we also moved it to the crawl space. You've seen all that hard work that the Bell Brothers crew have done. Boy, they worked their butts off for 2 days to get this done. Let's check out the results. They certainly cleaned things up. The ducting is so much tighter around the walls, and I can't wait to get that one vent with the asbestos tape out of there, and it'll really look much better. And of course, most of this you're not even going to get to see anymore because it's going to be all hidden behind drywall. Here's the crawl space before. There was lots of room under there, but then they added the AC unit under there and all this new ducting with really thick insulation. You do remember we did have a line here for the condenser and it ran across the ceiling. Well, all that has now been tucked up into the ceiling, nice and clean. It's gonna be all hidden with the drywall. And outside we've got the new condenser, and they ran the lines along the house here and put this nice cover over it so we didn't have to see it. So the next step is to get rid of this water heater. It is old, and we're gonna either put it on the wall as a tankless or move it out of the garage completely as a tankless. We have gas and water line options for both, so we'll see what the plan is there. I should be getting a quote on that later today. And then of course the base down here, we can hopefully get rid of that. It should be as easy as it was to pull that up, just a hammer and a chisel, and they just start coming up. It was much easier than expected. All right folks, that's it for this episode of the garage renovation. I hope you're following along and are waiting in anticipation for how this looks in the end. Just keep watching. So if you haven't already, hit that like button. It's so important to the channel, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified when the next garage renovation episode comes out. Thanks so much for watching the Jeff Violin channel. We, the garage and I, will see you next time. Take care.